Welcome to Marshall 3D. So today I'm going to show you how to 3D print a name keychain using a tool that I designed. So go to keychain.marshall3d.com. Here you'll see you have different properties that you can modify. You can key in your name, and you'll see it read in real time. You can also change other properties. We have the colors, the keyring settings, all that. Also, we have the export options. You can export 3MF. Also, you can change between 2D and 3D so that you can see how it's rendered. You can also change the base height and the text height. So I'll go ahead and export it and open it with my slicer, which is a Babu Studio. You can see there, it looks really nice. You can change the Babu Studio slicer properties in case you want to modify them, and go ahead and send it to your printer. Thank you guys for watching.